Okay, let's talk about Knowledge Society, which is a great offer inside Cashflow. And there are a few things that I like about Knowledge Society, but let me tell you why Ty and I started Knowledge Society to begin with. You know, I went to school for years. I have a PhD in engineering. I went the traditional route, college and grad school. I went to two different grad schools, in fact. And, one of the things that I realized is that a lot of times in college and even graduate school, you are learning from professors who are not actually practicing. So maybe at some point in their lives, they practice a little bit, but at that moment when they're teaching, that's their full-time job. And that kind of automatically makes them irrelevant in a lot of fields. And I have nothing against academia, but sometimes they are teaching things that are completely outdated, especially in some fields like marketing or technology, the landscape is changing quickly. Some of these professors are teaching things that maybe were relevant in 70s and 80s, but are not relevant today. So Ty and I created Knowledge Society with around a simple idea. Get certified in important skills, and by important I mean things that you can actually apply to your business, to your career, to your life right away. Has an immediate impact on your life and business. Not by professors, not by teachers, by top practicing experts. And I should underline practicing here because if you're teaching marketing, for example, in Knowledge Society, you need to be up to date and really on a day-to-day basis be running marketing campaigns, or your information is most likely outdated. If you're teaching negotiation, I don't want you to be some academic who's never negotiated something in their lives. I want somebody who's an expert consultant in negotiation to teach it. If we are teaching SEO, if we are teaching technology, if we are teaching persuasion, sales, we are not getting academic types teaching it. We are talking about people who are on the field doing it on that day, practicing it. If you're teaching business, one of the things about business professors is that most of them actually don't have any businesses, which is the biggest irony of all. Or when we bring entrepreneurs or business people in, we bring people that have done hundreds of millions of dollars in sales, and they currently have businesses that are running and generating a lot of revenue. That makes them qualified and relevant, okay, to teach that particular skill. All right, so that's the idea. You get certified in important skills, okay, practical skills, marketing, sales, persuasion, negotiation, career growth, SEO, you name it, leadership, all things that can actually tomorrow you can go and use them by top practicing experts. Now, as an affiliate, so that's the idea of the product. It's a very powerful product. It has a place. It has an important place in this world. This product is needed in this world, given how broken the education system is. And I don't want to be political, and the goal here is not to bash universities or academia, but there's a huge gap in the market, and this particular product is filling that gap. Okay, so there's a place for it in the market. Now, you as an affiliate, why should you care about promoting this product? I'm going to give you a few reasons. There are a lot more. The first reason is that it has a very clear value prop for everybody. So imagine you have a friend who has a business or startup is struggling with lead generation for their business. They have a contracting, like general contracting business, a legal practice, a dental office, a restaurant, and they are struggling with marketing. The value prop of Knowledge Society is immediate and very obvious. It's like, oh, you want to learn marketing? Go try the one-day certification program in Knowledge Society. And that will quickly give you a rundown of everything you need to know to market your business, right? So it's a very clear value prop. Somebody wants to become a public speaker. You tell them, look, you want to learn how to become a public speaker? Go take the certification course in Knowledge Society. Clear value prop that matches a specific need. Let's say one of your friends wants to I don't know, wants to negotiate a salary raise in his or her job, tell them, look, before you do that, all right, go take the one-day certification course on negotiation in Knowledge Society. All right, it's very clear and very obvious and very direct. Okay, so that's the first thing. So it's very easy to justify why people should go and try Knowledge Society. The second thing that I like about it is this high conversion, and that's because of the way it is set up. So it's basically only $1 to try it for 3 days. So, and with that, and then after that, it's only like $7 a month, right? So it's a very low price offer with an interesting business model that you can go try it for $1. What do you have to lose? You know, if you want to try, and you can go in there and try, you get access with that, by the way, you get access to a lot of certification programs. So the key here is like, okay, so you want to learn marketing, go take the certification program. It's a one-day program. It's 3 days for $1. And the certifications are one-day programs. So they can go and try it for $1. And I bet you they get more value from that, from going through that course than the $1 they paid. And if they want to then keep access to, you know, all the other certification programs in there, and we add new ones on a continuous basis, it's only $7 a month. What's there to lose? The downside is limited, and because of that, it's a very highly converting offer. Okay. The third thing, there's something in it for everyone. All right. So as we expand this program and add certification programs, everybody can benefit by honing their skills and learning new ones. Everybody on the face of the planet, right? So maybe some people are not interested in businesses specifically. Maybe they're stay-at-home moms. But there are certain skills that would help them. And, you know, as we expand the set of skills, practical skills that we certify for in Knowledge Society, we are increasing the coverage. So eventually, no matter who you meet and what they need, there's a relevant certification program that you can tell them why they should go and try Knowledge Society. You see where I'm going with this? It's actually pretty simple. It's very specific based on the need of the person that you're making the introduction to. And on top of it, like I said, like all of our offers, you really don't need to do much persuasion because our funnels and our websites are already very persuasive. The system is built in place. All you gotta do, you say, hey, go check it out. And you send them the affiliate link. They go on there, let our website, our landing page do the job. We do a good job of explaining the product. We have videos explaining the value prop of the service. And we do the job. We do the hard part of getting them converted and then providing the service. All you gotta do is just do the referral, do the handshake, and we go from there. All right. Number 4, residual subscription revenue. Residual subscription revenue. One of my favorite things is to build revenue that comes in a predictable manner in the future. All right. And Knowledge Society is recurring. There's monthly and yearly recurring offers. Both of them recur. So depending on which offer the person takes, you will get a monthly check or a yearly check from that particular customer, okay, on an ongoing basis. So you kind of are building future revenue. It's not just a one-time revenue. Number 5, there is additional income with no extra effort on your side from advanced certification programs. So inside Knowledge Society, we have one-day certification programs, the mini certification programs, and then we have 7-day advanced certification programs for people who want to dig deeper. And some people want to learn more. They want to become more and more advanced in different topics. And we have an upgrade path where the customer comes in, at a beginning level, and they kind of look at our certification programs. Maybe they take 1 or 2, and then they want to get the advanced certification. They sign up. We upgrade their account to a higher level subscription, and you don't have to do any work. Once that happens, we automatically track the customer, and we give you a higher commission. You get a bigger check once that customer upgrades. Again, this is one of those situations where you make actually zero. It requires zero extra effort on your side. Our funnels, our websites do the job. And once the customers see the value in our one-day certification programs, and then they sign up for 7-day advanced certification programs, we charge them additional for that service, and we just write you a bigger and better check. And with that, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Remember, the goal of Knowledge Society is to give you important skills, get you certified in important skills by top practicing entrepreneurs and experts, okay? Not just some professor. These are people who are in the field doing it as we speak. And it's a very clear value prop, and all you gotta do is in your network, your email list, social media, whatever way, if you're an extrovert and you talk to people, all you gotta do, you have to just kind of listen and see what is the need that the person have. Whatever practical skill they need, if we offer a certification for it, all you gotta say, hey, go to knowledgesociety.com, using my link obviously, so that you get your commission from that if they choose to buy, and check out their one-day certification on that specific topic that you want. And it's $1 to try. So it's like pretty straightforward brain dead offer. And once they do the job, they sign up, our website does the job, and we track them, we look at what other products and services they purchase, and for the rest of the life of that customer, we write a check to you every time there's a payment. Whether they take our more advanced certifications or they continue to subscribe to our service, you get a check. The simplest thing ever. It also is a good thing because you're actually promoting a very valuable product that our college and our education system actually failed to provide. So you're filling a gap in the market, and in the process, you're helping your friends, you're helping your network, you're helping your customers, or whoever, your students, your teacher, your friends, your neighbor, you're helping them, and you're also making a cut of the revenue that we capture. Everybody wins in this equation. So click on your affiliate link, go to the website, check it out. If you have any questions, let our team know, and good luck, and thanks for watching this video.